Hey guys, got it's a little after noon. Eagle trading 12:07. So last night I made a call on Stocktwits and then reiterated again this morning that if we broke the high of 390 or what it was, or 385 on Gamestop, it would not last. That it could break the high. That the high may probably be in, but if it does break the high, it will be very short-lived. Um, Time is a big factor in trading and movements like this. And this stock is also pretty much broken now, in my opinion. You're going to get wider swings and volatility as you start to get higher in price level. That's just normal behavior. But just from a psychological perspective, when everybody is crowded into the stock and everybody's talking about it, I always say the number 3 is very prevalent in the stock market. So third day, everybody knows about it. Everybody's in it. I mean, there's not much left. The structural configuration of the short covering has already been played out. And, when the shorts have already covered, there's not a lot to drive it a lot higher other than sentiment. And then you add in restrictions on some of the smaller brokers like Robinhood, and you have a recipe for disaster. But this morning when it was 450, I don't remember, whatever, I said the move would be short-lived and looking for 114. So if you follow me on Stocktwits, Henry 2013, you'll see the call at 9:02, I think, a.m. this morning. What time was it at? 9:01 a.m. I said 114 is coming sooner rather than later. We hit 112. So I can't short it. I wouldn't short it. I do options plays and things like this, but yeah, I mean, now it's, I can't even tell you what's going to happen. I know these are energy lines that we look at here, that I look at. Pivot points, they can go through them to the upside, but they'll snap back. They can go through to the downside, but they pull back up to it. This was one of the energy lines here that I had. And there's another one around 317, which seems to be coming into play as the last area, right around, well, maybe 17 points higher than where it is right now. So maybe you can get up there, and it's probably right along this pivot right in here from this bear flag breakdown. So 317, if you're in it now, I'd be getting out of this, especially showing you what it's capable of doing. Now you're almost 300% higher than that. Here we go. We're making a move to 317, just about right here. So it takes me a while to figure these energy levels and channel. You can see these lines across here, how they come into play. You push through, it fires up, you break through, and it drops. And then you can kind of see how we back tested this channel line, hit it, bounce off, push through, and you get energy to the upside. So now 317 is your area. You can see it just hit right there. There's 317 right along this line here. If it pushes through there, you might have some late shorts trying to catch this again, and then you might go up and hit the 343 area. But I don't even trade this anymore. It's beyond crazy as far as volatility, unless I go 15, 20 shares or whatever. But in any case, that's the story on this. You're going to get quick snaps from different areas. You can see right there, I just did it, but you're going to get quick snapbacks from different areas. But I would not be touching this, especially with the shape of the MACD right here. I burned up a lot of energy getting to that 317 area, and now you're at 260. So wish I could short it in TD. I can't, so I have to use options to trade it. But GameStop is pretty much played out, in my opinion, as is KOSS and all these other ones, to be honest with you. They're just day trading vehicles right now, in my opinion. They're done to the upside.